Hello students, good morning all of you. Today our topic is movement in reptiles. Okay, previous class you have learned movements in land and water and aerial animals. And today we start movements in reptiles. Okay children, animals like crocodile, tortoise, snakes and lizards are reptiles. Okay, look at this picture carefully. Reptiles crawl on the ground. Okay, which type of animals? Tortoise, snakes, lizards, and crocodile. These are the examples of the reptiles. Okay, reptiles crawl on the ground. They scroll on the ground. Reptiles crawl on the ground. Snake do not have limbs at all. Snake do not have limbs. So they have scales on their grounds that help them move forward in zigzag manner. Okay, so snake do not have legs. They use their muscles and their scales to do the walk. Okay children, sir, understand? Reptiles scroll on the ground. Okay, and snake do not have limbs at all. But how the snake move to one place to another place? They use their muscles and their scales to do the walk. Okay, and next we discuss movements in insects. Look at this picture. This is the one example of the insects. Okay, and most insects have 6 legs. Most insects have 6 legs. The legs help them to scroll and hop and run. The legs help to scroll on the ground and hop and run. And their legs are the thin and long. Their insect legs are thin and long. Some insects that fly also have wings. Some insects fly also have wings. Okay, I understand. And next we discuss about migration. Migration means mass movement of animals from one place to another in search of food, warmer place and for laying eggs is called migration. Migration means mass movement of animals from one place to another in search of food, warmer place and for laying eggs is called the migration. Okay, migration means birds. Migration birds. Look at this picture. Animals move from one place to another in large group in search of food and water. Animals move from one place to another place. Why? Search food and water. This happens during a particular season. This happens during a particular season, mostly winter season. Okay, when it is too cold during winter, they travel to warmer place and return when the climate become warmer. They move from one place to another place, search food and water. This is during a particular season. When it is too cold during winter, they travel to warmer place. Again, they return when the climate becomes warmer. Okay? This phenomenon since in animals is called the migration. These types of animals are called the migrations. Okay? The insects that migrates that longest in desert locust which travels about 2800 miles. Some insects also called the migrates. So which type of insects? Dragonfly, beetles, moths. It is the example of the migration insects. Okay, these insects travel 2800 miles. Okay children, and next the land animals that migrates that longest is the caribou. Okay, caribou is the one of the land animal example of the migrates. So caribou look like a deer. Okay, it travels about 700 miles. Caribou travels in 700 miles. Okay, caribou look like a deer. Okay, its travel about 700 miles. The painted lady butterfly meets on their journey. The next stage of migration is completed by the next generation. Okay, I understand. Reptiles. Okay, reptiles move. Reptiles crawl on the ground, and some insects scroll and hop and run. And migration birds move to one place to another place, search food and water. Okay, some insects also migrates, dragonflies, beetles and moths. Okay, and some land animals also migrates. What are the caribou? Okay, birds also migrates. Okay, children, understand? Thank you, all of you.